Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to install Spigen Glastr Easy Fit Screen Protector on the new iPhone SE. The purpose of this protector is to ensure the application process is extremely precise and easy, as well as offering your display high quality protection. I would recommend turning off your device before starting, as you do not want your display to keep activating whilst you're installing the glass. Within the box there are two screen protectors, dust removal stickers, cleaning wipes, and a squeegee. These are all the tools you will need to complete the process so you can start the application straight away. The first thing you'll need to do is ensure the screen of your phone is immaculate. To do so, take the wet wipe and thoroughly clean any dirt or grease off the display. Now, using the microfiber cloth, wipe away any liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. When the screen is completely dry, repeatedly dab the entirety of your display with the dust removal sticker. Once all of these steps are complete and you are happy with the condition of your display, you can now turn your attention to applying the glass screen protector. Firstly, peel off the tab labelled back. Avoid touching the glue area of the screen protector as you do not want any fingerprints destroying the look of your phone after the glass has been applied. When lowering the glass protection, ensure you've correctly matched up the screen protector's cutouts to the right areas of the phone. Now, run your finger down the arrow that is presented on the tray and then wait for 30 seconds. Once the time has passed, remove the sticker and lift the tray from the display of your phone. If there are any bubbles visible, simply take the squeegee and push from the centre outwards so the air can escape through the edging of the glass. The screen of this iPhone SE is now shielded. The protector fits extremely well onto the screen, with the glass reaching perfectly to each edge of the phone's display. Therefore, there is no obstruction when wanting to watch your favourite online streaming services. Your phone's touch sensitivity will not be affected by this form of screen protection. I am able to use the phone as like before the glass was fitted, meaning I am able to text and scroll through the phone's content like normal, though now it is safeguarded by premium screen protection. After attaching a variety of cases to the phone, I have found no implications with the glass screen protector when doing so. The glass doesn't interfere too much with the phone's black bezel, so you can apply your favourite cover to provide your phone with all-round protection to combat the obstacles of everyday life. After touching the display, I noticed there are no fingerprints visible. This is due to the oleophobic coating used to construct the glass, which makes it fingerprint resistant, allowing you to use your phone often without the constant need of having to wipe your screen in order to keep it clean. It doesn't elevate too far from the display of the phone, so it does not cause any hindrance when placing and removing from your pocket, and doesn't detract from the visuals of the perfectly engineered iPhone SE. I think this is definitely one of the easiest protectors I have ever fitted. The process was effortless and stress-free. By using the tray, there was no concern of the glass being squiff post-application. The process took no more than 5 minutes and can be completed even quicker. For the price you pay, the result is magnificent. Your iPhone receives crystal clear protection, as well as security. If the glass was to become damaged, it would crack instead of shatter, which makes it safer to remove from the screen of your phone. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you have any questions, please ask below. For more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.